E-Flight Viper 64mm EDF jet, jet speed, sport plane stability, all in one ready-to-fly package. The E-Flight Viper 64mm EDF jet brings fighter jet looks and thrilling performance in a compact, easy-to-fly setup. Perfect for intermediate and advanced pilots, it combines fast-paced aerobatics with smooth, predictable control. At its core is an 11-blade 64mm ducted fan, powered by a high-output outrunner motor and a Spectrum Avian 70A Smart Light ESC, giving it sharp response and that satisfying jet-like sound. It runs on standard 4S 2200 to 3200 mAh batteries, making powerful flights both accessible and efficient. With AS3X technology for wind-resistant stability and Safe Select for optional flight assistance, it's a smart entry point for newer EDF pilots without compromising thrill. Takeoffs are simple, landings are smooth, and the overall experience is balanced yet bold. Whether you're flying for precision or pushing limits, the Viper handles it all. Fast, clean, and controlled. Fly sharp, fly smart. The Viper makes every flight feel like a mission. FMS 90mm Avanti RC Jet. Designed to impress, built to perform, born to celebrate. The FMS 90mm Avanti isn't just a sport jet, it's a tribute to 18 years of RC innovation. Priced at $570, this anniversary edition features a bold livery co-designed with Seabart and packed with refined scale details. From realistic flashing nav lights to CNC-machined kneeling landing gear with electronic retracts and damping, every detail adds to both looks and performance. The result? Smooth takeoffs, stable landings, and eye-catching flights from any angle. Under the sleek exterior is a high-speed, aerobatics-ready powerhouse made for Level 5 pilots. The two-piece fuselage simplifies transport and maintenance, making it as practical as it is thrilling. Whether you're executing sharp maneuvers or cruising the skies, the Avanti flies with unmatched precision and flair. More than a model, it's RC mastery in motion. Amphabi Edge 60-inch 540. Precision meets power in this bold, 3D performer. The Amphabi Edge 60 540 is a $395 RC plane built to dominate the skies, whether you're into hardcore 3D maneuvers or smooth sport flying. With a 60-inch wingspan and a flight weight under 3 kilograms, it strikes a perfect balance between agility and stability. Available in high-visibility red, yellow, orange, and green schemes, it's wrapped in durable Aura cover and offered in both balsa and Kevlar-reinforced versions. The lightweight frame makes it nimble, while the recommended 2 Sunny Sky X4-120 motor and 100A ESC push out serious thrust for tight rolls, sharp snaps, and high-flying fun. It's not just for stunt pros. The Edge 540 handles predictably and smoothly, making it a solid choice for experienced pilots and ambitious newcomers alike. From controlled sport flights to wild 3D tricks, this aircraft adapts to your style and elevates it. One plane, every move. Endless sky. FMS 64mm J10 EDF jet. Looks like a fighter, sounds like a fighter, flies like one too. The FMS 64mm J10 EDF jet is built for thrill seekers who want more than just speed, they want the full jet experience. Its delta wing and canard setup deliver sharp agility in the air, whether you're tearing through the sky or gliding low and slow. Under the hood, it packs an 11-blade 64mm ducted fan, a 3150K brushless motor, and a 40-AT ESC, all running on a standard 4S battery. The result? High-speed performance with an authentic jet-like roar that sounds just as good as it flies. Visual details matter too, from detachable weapons and an air refueling probe to CNC-machined landing gear with real shock absorption. Built from durable EPO 40 foam and finished with water-resistant paint, it's made for repeated action. Assembly is quick, and with optional liveries like the August 1st aerobatic team, you can make it yours. Fast, fierce, full of attitude. The J10 puts real jet power in your hands. Radiolink D460 Turbo, 3 flight modes. 1 rugged flyer, confidence in every takeoff. The Radiolink D460 Turbo is built to make flying simple, safe, and seriously fun. Priced at $140, it's packed with smart tech, including the BMDB flight controller, offering stabilized, gyro, and manual modes, giving beginners support and pros full control. In stabilized mode, it auto-levels mid-flight, giving new pilots a chance to recover from mistakes. Gyro mode adds smooth handling, while manual mode hands over complete control for advanced tricks and speed runs. Its EP foam construction keeps it tough and light, while the sleek aerodynamic shape reduces drag and extends flight time. Powered by a 2204 1600 kV brushless motor, 15A ESC, and 800 mAh battery, it delivers up to 30 minutes of reliable flight on a single charge. Compatible with a wide range of transmitters, it's versatile and ready to grow with your skills. Smart, steady, and tough, the D460 isn't just beginner-friendly, it's built to last. Tecnam P2006T NG Series. One aircraft, endless possibilities. What if a single plane could train pilots, perform surveillance, and land almost anywhere? The Tecnam P2006T NG does it all. This next-gen twin-engine aircraft is built for maximum utility. Its lightweight aluminum body keeps it fuel-efficient and durable, while the Rotax 912 S3 engines are known for reliability and low operating costs. The high-wing design boosts stability and offers wide visibility, perfect for flight schools or low-altitude missions. Step inside and you'll find a glass cockpit equipped with advanced avionics, giving pilots better control, awareness, and safety. It's designed for short takeoffs and landings, making it ideal for a wide range of jobs: training, patrol, air taxi, or even search and rescue. Easy to fly, easy to maintain, and ready to adapt. The Tecnam P2006T NG isn't just efficient, it's the definition of smart multi-role aviation. Zeppelin NT, the return of the sky giant. What if the quietest ride in the sky came from a century-old design? Meet the Zeppelin NT, a modern airship blending vintage elegance with next-gen engineering. Created by Germany's Zeppelin Luftschiffstechnik, this semi-rigid craft stretches 246 feet and uses 3 vectoring engines for precise, near-silent maneuvering. Designed for tourism, research, and surveillance, it glides smoothly above the Earth with minimal noise and maximum control. Unlike its explosive predecessors, it's safely filled with non-flammable helium. With a cruising speed of 43 miles per hour and a range of 560 miles, the Zeppelin NT offers a fuel-efficient, low-impact alternative for aerial observation and scenic exploration. Its unique combination of safety, silence, and sustainability marks a refreshing shift in airborne technology. From panoramic tours to scientific missions, this airship delivers calm, controlled flight wrapped in timeless style. Sometimes the future flies on the wings of the past. E-Flight Extra 330SC 3D 1.3 Me. Designed for 3D, built to push limits. The E-Flight Extra 330SC 3D 1.3 meters is a high-performance RC plane built for sport flying and aggressive aerobatics. A scale replica of Jim Burke's competition aircraft, it stands out with its bold trim scheme and precise handling. It features a reinforced motor mount and a tuned power system that supports both 3S and 4S batteries with no modifications. A larger hatch with plastic edges prevents chipping and makes battery access quick and clean. The 85A Spectrum Avian Smart Light ESC adds real-time telemetry for better flight awareness. Built for stability and strength, it's ideal for pilots looking to master complex 3D moves or enjoy smooth, controlled flights. Whether you're going vertical or cruising low, this plane delivers power and confidence every time. One airframe, endless possibilities. The Extra 330SC flies like no other. FMS 1500mm Cessna 182, classic style, real flight feel, all in one RC package. The FMS 1500mm Cessna 182 brings the iconic trainer aircraft to life in a $270 RC model that's smooth, stable, and incredibly realistic. Fully licensed by Textron Innovations Inc., it mirrors the original with scale details that make it look and fly like the real thing. Its sturdy build includes a 3-point metal landing gear with shock absorption and rugged tires, so landings stay smooth no matter the surface. Snap-lock assembly and preset servo linkages make setup a breeze. Perfect for new pilots eager to get in the air fast. With bright LED lighting for dusk flights and impressive stowall capability, needing just 3 meters to take off, this plane is made to perform. Under the hood, a 3541 840 kV brushless motor and 7 digital servos deliver tight control and a rewarding flight experience. Designed to teach, built to last, the Cessna 182 is where your flying journey begins. Classic never goes out of style. E-Flight Sportix 1.1 meter. Precision meets play in this sleek, sport-ready RC plane. The E-Flight Sportix 1.1 meter is built for pilots ready to level up from a trainer. With a 1.1 meter wingspan, it strikes the right balance between portability and performance. Its clean, modern design makes it as stylish as it is capable. Equipped with Spectrum AS3X for wind-resistant stability and Safe Select for optional flight assistance, it offers smooth control for both intermediate and experienced flyers. The BNF Basic version features metal gear servos, an Avian 45A ESC, and is compatible with 3S and 4S batteries for flexible, reliable power. LED navigation lights improve visibility, and tool-free assembly gets you flying fast. Whether at the park or the field, the Sportix delivers aerobatic precision without the hassle. Compact, confident, ready to roll. The Sportix takes fun to new heights. A200 Aerobase. Build a base anywhere, even at sea. What if your runway or command center could float and be deployed in hours? That's the promise of the A200 Aerobase. Designed for rapid response and versatility, this modular floating platform serves both military and civilian needs. From disaster zones to offshore operations, it brings instant infrastructure where traditional setups fall short. Constructed with lightweight yet ultra-strong materials, it's stable in harsh environments and easy to transport. Its modular sections fit together quickly, scaling to support aircraft, vehicles, or heavy equipment depending on the mission. Whether used as a temporary naval base, an emergency landing strip, or a mobile operations hub, the A200 delivers flexibility, speed, and strength in one smart design. It doesn't just float, it transforms open water into a ready-for-action base of operations. Aerospace Line Super Guppy, built to carry what no other plane can. Need to move rocket parts that won't fit in any other aircraft? That's exactly what the Super Guppy was made for. Evolved from the Boeing 377 Stratocruiser, this cargo plane was engineered for one job, hauling oversized aerospace components. With its massive rounded fuselage, it can swallow rocket stages, satellites, and gear that would ground a standard cargo jet. First taking flight in the 1960s, the Super Guppy quickly became vital to NASA's Apollo missions, transporting critical pieces of the Saturn V rocket. Its hinged nose opens up the entire front, making loading large payloads fast and simple. Decades later, it's still in use. NASA continues to rely on an upgraded version to carry outsized parts across the country, proof of its lasting value in modern spaceflight. When you're flying cargo too big for the skies, you call the one plane built to handle it.
SkyDrive SD05. Flying through traffic could soon be your new normal. The SkyDrive SD05 is a two-seat electric aircraft built for short urban flights. Fast, compact, and futuristic. With a footprint of just 9.4 meters and powered by 12 electric propellers, it lifts off vertically and cruises smoothly at 100 kilometers per hour. One charge takes you up to 10 kilometers, perfect for city hops without the roadblocks. Its horizontal and vertical tail fins keep it stable mid-air, while a smart computer-controlled flight system makes piloting intuitive and safe. Despite its lightweight build, it handles up to 1 to 100 kilograms at takeoff. This isn't a concept, it's launching soon. SkyDrive plans to roll out air taxi services with the SD05 during the 2025 Osaka World Expo, marking a major shift in how we move through cities. The age of personal flight isn't coming, it's already on the runway.
Virgin Galactic Space Travel, now boarding. What if your next adventure launched you into space? Virgin Galactic is turning that once impossible dream into a reality. Founded by Richard Branson, Virgin Galactic Spaceship Two is a rocket-powered spaceplane built for suborbital journeys. It takes off mid-air from its mothership, VMS Eve, then fires its engine to soar past the edge of Earth's atmosphere. Up there, passengers experience minutes of weightlessness and breathtaking views of the planet below. In 2021, Branson himself flew aboard VSS Unity, proving space tourism is no longer a fantasy. It's happening. Each flight delivers the thrill of space with the elegance of design and precision of modern engineering. But this is more than a joyride. It's a giant leap toward making space accessible for private travelers, scientists, and innovators. Virgin Galactic continues to refine its tech, bringing space closer for everyone. The sky isn't the limit anymore. It's just the beginning. Dornier Sea-Wing Seastar, the aircraft that masters both land and sea. Imagine a plane that doesn't need to choose between runway and water. The Seastar makes both its runway. Built with advanced composites and a corrosion-resistant body, this amphibious twin-engine aircraft is made for rugged flexibility. It's just as comfortable touching down on a lake as it is landing on tarmac. Its twin Pratt & Whitney turboprop engines deliver speeds up to 333 kilometers per hour with a 1,700-kilometer range, great for coastal patrols, short-hop charters, or island missions. A high-wing design keeps it steady, while the roomy cabin seats up to 12 in comfort. From remote villages to hidden coves, the Seastar flies where few others can. It's built for reliability, efficiency, and freedom.
J2000 flying car. This car doesn't just drive, it takes flight at 200 miles per hour and soars to 15,000 feet. Meet the Jetopter J2000, a hybrid electric eVTOL built for speed, safety, and futuristic travel. Crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, its sleek frame includes a front tilt canard, rear box wing, and retractable tricycle landing gear. Compact enough for roads, powerful enough for skies. Its standout feature? A bladeless fluidic propulsion system using 4 FPS thrusters, delivering quiet thrust without spinning rotors. It's powered by a gas turbine now, with plans for a full battery upgrade. With a 1,600-pound empty weight and a 400-pound payload, it's agile and efficient. Redundant avionics and glide-safe engineering boost safety in every flight. More than just a flying machine, the J2000 redefines what a personal vehicle can be. Fast, compact, and ready to lift off from city streets. This isn't a car, it's a new way to move.
Hover Drone Taxi. Meet the Hover Drone Taxi, a futuristic electric air taxi coming out of Russia. Priced at $250, this flying cab is turning heads with its bold design and performance. It's built by the company Hover, and the specs are seriously impressive. This drone taxi can travel up to 100 kilometers on a single charge. It reaches speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour. It flies at an altitude of around 150 meters, making it ideal for quick urban transport. Surprisingly, it's not much bigger than a regular car. You could park it in a normal garage or even a standard parking lot. What really makes it stand out is the use of AI navigation. That means passengers just enter their destination, and the drone handles the rest. No pilot, no stress, just sit back and enjoy the view from above. Right now, it's still in the testing phase. The prototype can fly for about 20 minutes on a full charge. It's exciting to imagine a future where you can take a flying cab for just 20 cents per kilometer. A dream? Maybe, but it's closer than you think. Lazzarini Linux. Now, let's look at Lazzarini's second concept, and it's even more surprising. It's called Linux, named after the well-known family of operating systems. And just like its name suggests, it's all about customization. At the heart of this concept is a capsule. It measures 4 meters long and 1.9 meters wide. This capsule isn't just for one type of travel. It can transform into a vehicle for land, air, or even water. Want a snowmobile? No problem. A catamaran? That too. It can become whatever you need. The idea is simple. One base, many possibilities. Gelisem University Tusi. The flying car from Istanbul. Meet Tusi, a flying car developed by a team from Istanbul Gelisem University. At first glance, it might look simple when compared to other flying car concepts. But don't let that fool you. This vehicle has already made big progress. It's moved past the design phase and reached the prototype stage. Even more impressive, it has completed several successful test flights. Let's take a quick look at what Tusi offers. It can travel 160 kilometers on land. In the air, it has a range of 30 kilometers. The maximum flight time is around 9 minutes. It can carry up to 80 kilograms of payload. The design is compact and light. The total weight of the vehicle is just 100 kilograms. Tusi uses an electric hexacopter system. That means it flies using 6 rotors. The team chose this setup for its simplicity and efficiency. The engineers behind Tusi have a clear vision. Their motto is, "Technology on the horizon." Martin Jetpack. The Martin jetpack takes the concept of personal flight and turns it into a thrilling, real-world experience, delivering the kind of airborne agility once reserved for science fiction. Built with a compact carbon fiber composite frame and weighing around 200 kilograms, this single-person vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) machine is designed to be both powerful and portable, measuring roughly 5 feet in every direction. At its core is a robust 2-liter V4 petrol engine pumping out 200 horsepower, powering twin-ducted fans that provide stable, controllable lift. With a flight ceiling nearing 2,500 feet and an estimated endurance of 30 minutes, the Martin jetpack gives you the altitude and time to maneuver with confidence, aided by advanced fly-by-wire controls that make piloting intuitive even for less experienced users. It also includes a ballistic parachute system for an extra layer of safety, a feature that speaks to its design focus on first responders and emergency services who need reliable access to hard-to-reach places. Priced around $100,000, it's not just a piece of equipment, it's a transformative tool pushing the boundaries of what's possible in aviation, offering fast, direct, and flexible mobility in situations where every second counts. Whether you're in search and rescue or just fascinated by cutting-edge tech, the Martin jetpack is redefining how we think about taking to the skies.
Aircraft HX-2, the flying wing that redefines flight. The HX-2 doesn't just fly, it slices through the air with radical efficiency. Built by Horten Aircraft in Germany, this fully composite, tandem-wing plane takes cues from the legendary Horten brothers. Its sleek, blended wing design minimizes drag and maximizes lift, giving it a serious edge in fuel savings and aerodynamic performance. Made primarily from carbon fiber, the HX-2 is light yet incredibly stable. That means better control, tighter turns, and smoother flight. It's built for versatility, perfect for private aviation, surveillance, and even advanced pilot training. But this aircraft isn't just about performance. With its low-emission operation and efficient design, the HX-2 pushes aviation toward a cleaner, smarter future. A glimpse of what next-gen flight really looks like: leaner, quieter, and built to outfly convention.
Airspeeder Crude Mk4, the future of air racing. The Airspeeder Crude Mk4 is a revolutionary electric aircraft designed for high-speed racing. Developed by Aloft Aeronautics in Adelaide, Australia, it's the world's fastest hydrogen-electric EV, reaching 225 miles per hour in just 30 seconds. Powered by a 1,000 kilowatts turbogenerator, 1,340 horsepower, and green hydrogen, it offers a range of 188 miles with near-zero emissions. Its advanced aerodynamics and AI-driven gimbal thrust technology make it handle like a Formula One car in the sky. Airspeeder plans to kick off crewed racing events in 2024, shaping the future of air racing.
Antonov An-225 Maria, the biggest plane the world ever saw. Built to carry a space shuttle, the Antonov An-225 Maria didn't just break records. It redefined what an aircraft could be. Designed by the Soviet Union in the 1980s, it was the largest and heaviest plane ever built. With 6 massive engines, a wingspan longer than any other operational aircraft, and a takeoff weight of 640 tons, it was in a league of its own. Originally created to transport the Buran space shuttle, the An-225 later hauled everything from giant generators to locomotives and critical humanitarian aid. Its unmatched cargo space made it essential for missions no other aircraft could handle. But despite its success, only one was ever completed. A second remained unfinished. In 2022, the world's only An-225 was destroyed during the Russian invasion of Ukraine, ending the story of an engineering marvel that had captured imaginations for decades. The Maria was more than a plane. It was a symbol of what human ambition can lift into the sky.
Archer Midnight eVTOL. The Archer Midnight eVTOL is changing the way we travel short distances. Designed for quick urban commutes and regional trips, this all-electric air taxi provides a fast, comfortable, and efficient alternative to traditional transportation. With a cruising speed of 150 miles per hour, Midnight can significantly reduce travel time compared to cars and other ground transport. It is built for trips within a 20 to 50 mile radius, making it perfect for city centers, suburbs, and airport transfers. One of its biggest advantages is its zero-emission electric motor, which helps create a cleaner and more sustainable future. the aircraft can carry a pilot and 4 passengers, making it ideal for business travelers and small groups. Unlike conventional planes, Midnight features vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities, eliminating the need for runways. This makes it perfect for crowded urban areas with limited space. Safety is a top priority for Archer. The aircraft undergoes strict testing and is working towards FAA certification to ensure reliability. In the future, Archer plans to introduce autonomous flight technology, enhancing convenience and efficiency. With its speed, eco-friendliness, and innovative design, the Archer Midnight eVTOL is set to revolutionize urban air travel.
ATIA Hybrid, the future of clean flight. What if flying felt as quiet as a whisper and left barely a trace behind? ATIA Hybrid makes that vision real. Created by Ascendance Flight Technologies, this next-gen VTOL aircraft runs on a hybrid system, electric batteries for takeoff and landing, and a fuel engine for cruising. That combo delivers up to 400 kilometers of range at speeds over 200 kilometers per hour. But ATIA isn't just about distance, it's about impact. It slashes CO2 emissions by 80% and flies 4 times quieter than a helicopter. That means cleaner air and calmer cities. It holds 1 pilot and 4 passengers, or 400 kilograms of cargo, making it a smart fit for air taxis, medical emergencies, or last-mile deliveries. Quiet, flexible, and efficient, it's built for the future of urban air travel. This isn't just flying differently, it's flying responsibly. Want to dig deeper into urban air mobility? F. Hybrid propulsion tech? F. Or eco-friendly aircraft design? F. ATIA Hybrid, the future of clean flight. What if flying felt as quiet as a whisper and left barely a trace behind? ATIA Hybrid makes that vision real. Created by Ascendance Flight Technologies, this next-gen VTOL aircraft runs on a hybrid system, electric batteries for takeoff and landing, and a fuel engine for cruising. That combo delivers up to 400 kilometers of range at speeds over 200 kilometers per hour. But ATIA isn't just about distance, it's about impact. It slashes CO2 emissions by 80% and flies 4 times quieter than a helicopter. That means cleaner air and calmer cities. It holds 1 pilot and 4 passengers, or 400 kilograms of cargo, making it a smart fit for air taxis, medical emergencies, or last-mile deliveries. Quiet, flexible, and efficient, it's built for the future of urban air travel. This isn't just flying differently, it's flying responsibly. Crop Pisso.
Cruise Up, the future of personal air travel. Imagine a world where traffic jams are a thing of the past. Cruise Up is bringing that vision to life with its revolutionary aircar concept. This personal flying vehicle, powered by advanced cycrotor technology, promises to change how we travel forever. Unlike traditional cars, the Cruise Up can take off and land vertically, thanks to its 360-degree thrust vectoring system. This means there's no need for runways, making urban travel more efficient and freeing up valuable city space. But this innovation isn't just about convenience. The core technology behind Cruise Up is designed to be environmentally friendly, paving the way for a more sustainable transportation system. While specific details on its impact are still under wraps, one thing is clear: this vision sparks excitement about a future where personal air travel becomes a normal part of daily life.
Droni H1X, the future of personal air travel. Introducing the Droni H1X, a revolutionary electric aircraft designed for personal transportation. This 2-seat vehicle is built with a tandem wing configuration that boosts both lift and efficiency. The H1X is powered by 8 vertical electric motors, 2 on each of its 4 wings. This unique setup allows for quiet and efficient vertical takeoff and landing, eliminating the need for a runway. For added efficiency, the H1X also features 4 in-wing electric ducted fans. These fans not only reduce noise but also improve the overall flight performance. In addition, 2 rear-mounted pusher propellers provide forward propulsion for smooth travel. Designed with convenience in mind, the H1X fits comfortably in a standard 2-car garage. You can easily charge it using a regular home outlet. Droni Aerospace plans to begin test flights by the end of 2024. The goal is to make the H1X available to customers by 2025.
Hitachi Rail Blues Train, powering ahead with 3 fuels. Imagine a train that runs on electricity, diesel, and batteries, all in one seamless system. That's exactly what the Hitachi Rail Blues train delivers. Developed for Trenitalia, this hybrid regional train adapts to any track, electrified or not, thanks to its triple-source power setup. It keeps moving where others stop, offering smoother, more flexible travel without costly infrastructure upgrades. By cutting carbon emissions by up to 50%, it plays a key role in greener transport across Europe. And it doesn't just help the planet, it improves the ride too, with quieter operation, more space, and smart air conditioning. In service since December 2022, the Blues train isn't just a new vehicle. It's a big step towards sustainable mobility. It proves that clean energy and modern rail travel can go hand in hand. This train doesn't just connect destinations, it connects us to a cleaner future.
Joby Aviation S4. The Joby Aviation S4 is an electric aircraft designed for urban air travel. It's a 5-seater that can take off and land vertically, like a helicopter. It has 6 tilting propellers, 4 on a fixed wing and 2 on the tail. This lets it switch easily between vertical and horizontal flight. Powered by advanced lithium batteries, the S4 can travel 50 miles at speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. It's also much quieter than traditional helicopters, making it ideal for cities. Joby Aviation plans to launch commercial flights by 2025, pending approval.
Nord 500, jet speed meets vertical lift. What if a jet didn't need a runway? In the 1960s, France's Nord 500 set out to defy gravity and convention. This experimental VTOL aircraft packed twin turbojets powering 2 massive ducted fans, letting it take off and land like a helicopter. Yet once airborne, it moved with the speed and agility of a fighter jet. Built for reconnaissance, it was designed to deliver rapid response and flexibility on the battlefield. The Nord 500 aimed to combine helicopter-like access with jet-powered performance, an ambitious leap in military aviation. But innovation came at a cost. Technical setbacks and control issues kept it grounded, and the project was eventually shelved. Still, its daring design pushed the boundaries of what flight could be. The Nord 500 never made it to war, but it was a battle won for bold ideas. Starraker, one vehicle, Earth to orbit. What if your trip to space felt more like boarding a plane? Starraker dares to make that possible. Developed by Reaction Engines Limited, this futuristic concept imagines a single stage-to-orbit vehicle. No boosters, no discarded parts. Just one streamlined craft that takes off from a runway and flies directly into space. It uses cutting-edge, air-breathing engines and fully reusable systems aiming to cut launch costs and redefine space travel efficiency. Its advanced aerodynamic structure allows it to operate smoothly in both the atmosphere and beyond. Still in the concept phase, Starraker represents a massive leap in design thinking. It bridges the gap between today's rocket launches and tomorrow's seamless space flights. Starraker isn't just aiming for orbit, it's aiming to change everything about how we get there.
Airbus Pop-Up, the future of modular transportation. The Airbus Pop-Up represents a groundbreaking vision for the future of transportation. Developed in collaboration with eVTOL Design, this modular mobility system is poised to revolutionize urban travel. Imagine a passenger capsule that effortlessly connects to either a ground module or an air module, adapting seamlessly to changing environments and traffic conditions. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The pop-up concept extends beyond air and ground travel. It integrates with trains, hyperloops, and additional capsule systems, creating a fully interconnected transportation network. Featuring a self-piloted, electric design with zero emissions, this futuristic vehicle is managed by an advanced AI platform that streamlines travel complexities. As a pioneering convergence between the automotive and aerospace industries, Pop-Up represents a bold step towards sustainable mobility. Expected to debut by 2025, this engineering marvel will redefine how people navigate cities, offering an efficient, environmentally friendly alternative to traditional transportation.